Angela's father took her to the airport, but when they got there, a terrible thing happened. Angela's father got lost.
Dad? Hello? Are you behind here? Are you over here, Dad? 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 Are you under here?
Angela looked under airplanes and on top of airplanes, but she couldn't find him anywhere.
Under here? No. Above? No.
She saw one with an open door and climbed the steps. 1, 2, 3, right to the top. Her father was not there, and neither was anyone else.
There's buttons.
Angela had never been in an airplane before. In front, there was a seat that had lots of buttons around it. Angela loved to push buttons, so she walked up to the front, sat down on the seat, and said to herself,
"It's okay if I just push a couple of buttons, right?"
Then she slowly pulled on the cool lever. Right away, the door closed. Angela said,
"It's okay if I just push one more button, right?"
She pushed the green button. Right away, the motor came on. Vroom, 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 Angela said.
What? No.
Bring back that airplane, you thief.
My name is Angela. I am 5 years old and I don't know how to fly airplanes.
Oh dear, what a mess. Listen very carefully, Angela. Take the steering wheel and turn it to the left. Angela turned the wheel and slowly made a big circle and came back over the runway. Okay, now push forward on the steering stick. Angela pushed on the stick and the airplane slowly went over to the runway. It hit once and bounced. It hit twice and bounced. Then one wing scraped the ground. Right away, the whole plane was smashed and broke into little pieces. Angela was left sitting on the ground.
What happened? Oh, the airplane is flipped upside down. Wait, Dad?
Angela, are you alright? Oh,
Yeah.
the airplane is not alright. It's in very small pieces.
I know, it was a mistake.
Well, Angela, promise me you'll never fly an airplane ever again.
I promise.
Angela didn't fly an airplane for a very long time. But when she grew up, she didn't want to become a truck driver, a doctor, a secretary, or a nurse. She became an airplane pilot.